Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design. Today I am sharing my budget update, craft and a planner budget update for October 2024. This is all the stuff that I bought. Alright, in case you're new to these videos, basically every month I show you what I've bought and what I've used. I save the sticker sheets and stuff of things that I've used. So we're going to go through what I've bought first, and I know it looks like a lot, but I have a specific project or couple coming up in December and in 2025, and I wanted products for that. And there's a couple of tools here, and tools do not count towards my budget. Okay, because I needed them. So let's go for tools first, and I will share where I got them when I'm talking about them. So I bought this paper trimmer. I mentioned it in my Project Life video. I bought this paper trimmer. It's just lightweight. The other one that I have is bigger and bulkier and just and this one is lightweight. It's got the little the little pull-out thing. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. It is available on Amazon. And again, things that I will link down below. But yeah, available on Amazon as well. Yeah, just, I love this. I love this. Now, the other thing that I will say is, as well as that, in October, I also bought a new printer, which I will go over in a whole separate video. But again, paper trimmer as a tool doesn't count. Printer as a tool, it doesn't count. And then speaking of tools, I actually got this. This is, again, the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile. I love this. The other We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile tool. This is the punch, the mushroom punch for the Happy Planner. And I've been using this for some stuff, but this will not cut through plasticky type stuff, and it will not cut through, well, I can't get it to cut through some cardstocky stuff. So I got this. It was a fairly expensive purchase at like $35 to $40, but I need it for my December daily and for other projects. So I'm just like, it's an investment. It's a tool, but it's an investment. Now, talking about things that I'm not including as part of my budget, and one of those is replacements. And to that end, these are replacements. So I got a new Stays On ink in black for my December daily project, and I have a gold one because I don't stamp that often, and then when I do, like every few years, my stamp pads dry out. So these are replacements for my stamp pads. All right, so these are pocket pages, and you'll have seen my December daily, and I have these pocket pages for a different project that I'm doing in 2025. More on this to come later, but I'm not including this in my budget. Replacement is the little Avery tabs. They will literally go in my drawer. They will just literally live in there. And I use these for craft projects all the time. They are replacements. Everything else is stuff that I didn't need, but I bought anyway. You will have seen in my December daily video that I did that I bought the album and the inserts and everything, and I'm doing December daily and why and all of that. What I did was I went out and I bought some stuff. So I've got 10 sheets of cardstock that match this paper stack from, I think this is from Joann's. This is just a paper stack from Joann's. It's double-sided cardstock, and it's gold, red, green. I love that. So I'm doing the Ali Edwards class of December daily, and I needed paper. So I bought this, and then I bought paper to go with it. And then I was like, great, perfect. Then I went to Michael's and saw this, and this is just cardstock in full colors. Friends, this was $5. I paid $3 for 10 sheets. So I was like, even if I don't use all of these now, they will be great for future projects that I'm doing in future me projects. And then Rini went to Michael's and she found this, and I just loved it so much. I bought it online and had my husband pick it up when he was near Michael's. I love this. These are single-sided papers, And look at those. I mean, that would just be perfect for December Daily. So, I mean, tags. Yeah. So I loved the one that she picked up so much, I went out and bought the same one. So now I have 2 paper packs and a cardstock pack and a bunch of cardstock for December Daily, which is fine. Now, the other thing that I did pick up from Joann's, no, it was Walmart. It was Walmart, I think. These are felt sheets, and I got these, and then I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these. Now, these are actually self-adhesive. These are all to do like die cuts and cut out numbers and stuff like that. These are all Cricut projects in the making. That's what I like to call these. These are Cricut projects in the making. So I got these. I got 7 different types, but they're all different shades. Can you see that? Even the reds are different shades. The greens are different shades. So they'll come in handy. It'll be fine. So I've been to Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and DollarTree. I think that was my bunch. Things I got from DollarTree. This is actually a placemat. You see that? It's actually like a placemat. I regret buying this purely for the fact that I have glitter everywhere. But I thought I could cut again with my Cricut some numbers or something from it that would be fun. I'm thinking numbers or stars. So I'm going to put this way down so I don't blind you, because that is blinding. Blinding. Now, the other thing that I bought from Hobby Lobby were these. These were 50% off. Like if I see something like this that's 50% off, I'm going to buy it. These are just wood little snowflakes. These were $2.49 with 50% off. So I paid $1.25 for these, and I'm super happy about that. I can paint them, I can put the gold ink on them, I can do all sorts of things with it. I can even leave them as they are. All sorts of things. These, again, half price. They're just some star stickers. Again, I'm just thinking of cutting like stars like that out of this. Yes, again, projects that I'm thinking about in my head. Now, from DollarTree, I got this cork sheet because I'm thinking maybe some cork numbers or something. And even not for just necessarily now, but one little word for next year or Project Life, some other kind of project. The other thing that I found was this. It's a diamond wrap. So this is like a net. I want to call it a net with the little dazzly star things on them. Dazzling star, what are they called? The little jewels. They're like little jewels on there. Like little beady jewel things. And I'm like, they're gold. I might find something to do with them. I found these in DollarTree and I'm like, I am buying those. These are 3/4 inch stamps of the numbers and the letters. And I would have just bought that just for the numbers for December Daily. So I was like, heck yes, I am buying those. Heck yes. But again, I want you to think about this. Is this classed as a tool or is this a supply? I'm not sure about that. But yeah, let me know what you think about that. Tool or supply? Now, the other thing that I did buy was I bought these. Now, one of these I did buy earlier in the month, and then I went back and bought another one because these were 50 cents each. This is gold glittery vinyl. Now, it's very, very thin. If you're buying this from DollarTree, it's very, very thin. But here's what I will say. If you're buying this to make things with, again, I'm thinking about stars, letters, stuff like that. My plan for this is to just stick it to cardstock, white cardstock, and then cut it out of the white cardstock and use that as my base. But yeah, it's not great for intricate stuff, the DollarTree stuff, but for shapes, and I'm going to call them blocky letters, this stuff is fine. And at 50 cents, I did squish this one because I squashed it in the trunk. But for 50 cents, heck yes. A DollarTree also had some ribbon. I am going to try and go back in the next few weeks and see if they've got any other ribbon. But yeah, I've got some ribbon as well, and I bought this one too. So I do have 2 different types of ribbon. They did have like some pom-pom ribbon, I would like to try and maybe get that too. But I want it in a different colour to what was there. The other things that I bought, we've got 4 more things. I bought brads. These were from Michael's because I like brads in Project Life, and I also like brads in my interactive projects like December Daily. And I've got, these are circles, and these are little glitter stars. Can you see that, little glitter stars? These were from DollarTree, it's just glitter. I probably won't use the silver for December Daily, but I will use this and the little stars. These are little stars, can you see that? These are little stars. And I got some sequins for making shaker pockets and fun interactive elements. You need things like this. You need things like this, so... And I didn't have any anymore, so, and I just love the little stars. So yes, I think that is everything that I have bought for October. All right, so I have my receipts from all of this, and I will link a video to my planner cart. I generally leave it on my planner cart, like the stuff on my planner cart, so I will link that down below in the description. But yes, I generally leave it on my planner cart. It just kind of attaches to my planner cart. That's what these little bulldog clips do. So I'm going to tally up what from here I'm going to put in my budget update. And let me tell you, that's going to be a lot. To say that I have blown the budget will be an understatement. And I also have 2 Ali Edwards kits coming for my One Little Word for next year. Because I'm debating between 2 words right now, and she had kits for both of them and they were on sale. So I was like, this is a no-brainer. I just need to buy those. All right. And then we'll tally up how much we've spent. By we, I mean me. All right. That is that updated. So the next thing that I do is I sort through all of the stuff that I've used this month, and that is all of this. And I keep all of this in here. This is the top drawer in my drawers. And it just gives me a little bit of boost. It gives me a boost each month. I've got a whiteout in there. 2 rolls of washi tape used. 4 pens. And I know this one was mostly done on the Halloween project. And this one, can you see? This one leaked in my planner tote. All right. And then I like to think about these as like happy planner sheets. $40 sheets. That's including these, but these are the clear sheets, and I save these. So all I do is I tack the clear sticker that's left off on there. 40 sheets. That's like a sticker book and a half. I did not do too badly this month. And then this goes in my make your own sticker book thing once I have some stickers to put in there. All right, so that is my budget update of the things that I've bought over October. There are other updates to come as to what I'm using the pocket pages for, as to December Daily, as to other memory keeping type projects coming in 2025. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how you're doing with your planner budget and your craft budget. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.